Masha Allah, maanta xagee nimid?
Beautiful park.
Maxaa meesha u nimid inaan waqti fiican qaadano Soomaha labadeena.
Yes.
No gossip, right? Because a lot of times waxaa dhahay the Somalis they come together, especially the women.
Yeah.
And then they gossip, right?
Yeah.
Who needs gossiping when we can have a beautiful time right here?
Enjoy
Look at that
ourselves.
view.
Yeah.
Look at that view. If you guys can see,
So
look
beautiful.
at that. Who needs gossip when you can see that, right, Habo?
Exactly. Yeah.
So, you know how I have a YouTube name, Taladi Taladada, where I post every week one video, right?
Yeah.
And we talk about different things about our community, what is important, ladies,
Yeah.
and we don't talk about anything crazy, just the normal things, right? So, I think that you're young.
Yeah.
You're like, you know, the best time.
Yeah.
You know, you're like more than half of your age. I'm older than you.
Yeah.
So, as a young lady, what is 2020 young lady? What is so hip and hot and important to you guys? Because it's different than what is
hype to
important.
us?
Yeah.
Traveling. Everybody wants to travel.
You like to travel, and you like to travel on your own.
Yeah.
No mommy, right?
No mommy, no daddy,
And
no
when
man.
and
no
when
nothing.
and when mommy tells you, no, gabar Soomaaliyeed baa tahay kaligaa see u travel garanaysaa. What do you think? Like aniga, I'm gonna act like I'm the mommy, and I'm
Yeah.
gonna say, kaligaa baa baxaysid.
It's better to be independent than to be with.
And how do you get away from Somali mom who's gonna say, gabar kaligeed meel ma aado? Maxaa samaynaysaa?
Speak to her and
Hayaa.
try to show her that it's better to travel alone.
Do you ever wonder why as Somali moms that we think that our girls cannot travel by themselves? And what is our fear? Have you ever thought about it?
Being kidnapped.
Yeah,
Or
like the worst of the worst,
the
right?
worst of the worst, being kidnapped,
Yeah.
killed somewhere.
Or who you around.
Yeah.
We
or-
think that you're gonna get in trouble. We think that
We're gonna
who
be
are
with
you
bad
gonna
people.
be? Yeah, and what are you gonna do behind closed doors?
I know.
A lot of fears, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But most of them, it's just our own fears, right?
It is,
As
yeah.
parents.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, especially Somali
And they're very
moms.
overprotective,
We are very overprotective.
especially of daughters, not
Yeah.
not boys.
So what will you want it as you, as a young lady, will say to me as a mom who have teenagers?
To let them be more independent instead of thinking of the worst, basically.
Yeah. And give them more time, more free. Trust them.
Trust them more, give them more responsibilities.
Yeah. That, and then know that you guys will not do anything wrong to yourself.
Yeah.
You love yourself more than we love you, I think.
Yeah.
But we think we love you more than you love
I know,
yourself.
yeah, that's the funny part.
Yeah. So your advice to us is trust your daughters and your sons.
So,
And what will I be? Speaking of all the moms, I'll be like, we love you.
yeah.
We care about you. We wanted you to
To
be the best of you.
Right.
And when we don't want you to go and travel by yourself, our fear is if something happened to you.
Yeah.
But not so much that we don't trust you.
It's not from the worst place.
But I think we don't trust the people you might be around.
Yeah.
That is our
Or
fear.
encounter.
Yeah.
Or
But it's
around.
not our own child, like you. It's not that I don't trust you as my daughter.
Yeah.
But I don't trust the other girl
People.
and the other
Yeah.
boy that you're around
Yeah.
and what they can do to you.
Right.
But I think overall is we need to have a dialogue, we have
Yeah.
to have a conversation, and we
To
have to
just
talk
let-
about this same way we have in conversation.
Yeah.
What is the fear? And address that fear, I think,
Yeah.
and have more discussions.
Right. Yeah.
And if we talk to each other, I think we're gonna have more understanding.
More understanding.
And then we can build that bridge. Now I think there's like a big gap
Yeah.
of parents and youth, and there's like nobody
big
wants
gap.
to talk about
Yeah,
those things.
yeah.
And when you say, okay, I'm gonna travel, it's like ana ku raacayo.
Like, where are you going?
May was
With
raacayna
who?
ani adiga oo ku ilaalinaya de.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like
Also.
I literally have this conversation with my daughter. Waxaan ku dhahay haddaan parka ku geeyo waan kugu dejinayaa gaarigayga ku dhex jiraya miiri ma qabsanay xagga joogaya, so in case anything I'll be right there, like,
Right there to
guiding
wait
you,
for you.
watching you. And she's like, "Hoy
Being
maxay iga
security.
ilaalinaysaa? I'm naag weyn baan ahay, wax kasta dhici karo. Haddii ka waran laydin dafo, like
I
maxaa waa
know.
eega boorsamaya?" Yeah, ilmaha boorsamaya boorso.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
waxaa malaysaa qof inuu meesha taagan yahay uu daf
Just
siisanaya
waiting
midi,
just
right?
for them.
That's it.
They're
Like
the
they
special
knew,
ones.
right?
They're the special
ilmaha
ones.
kale meesha joogdhan anaga shaqadeena haya.
Yeah.
Like our Somali kids more important.
We're the special ones. We're the ones who's gonna get kidnapped first.
Whoa. Oh my God, right?
We're the ones who's gonna get kidnapped first.
Yeah.
And
I think it's from a long time ago, the way we have been raised, even as a mom.
Yeah.
I came to this country young, teenager.
Yeah.
Nobody told me what to do.
Yeah.
But having a daughter who's a teenager and son who's a teenager,
terrifies you.
it really terrifies me because I know what others can do. That's what scares
other
me.
people have bad intentions,
Yeah, but not so much of what they can get into. I think I raised them correctly, but I don't know what others can do. So I think we should have more dialogue and more discussions, right?
Yeah.
About young people and parents.
Yeah.
We will.
Yeah.
We will.
Inshallah.
And I think we're gonna maybe hold parent and young people discussion like in a circle table.
That would be perfect.
Right?
Yeah.
meeshaas qofkii dhagaxa la isku tuurayana yaa ka mas'uula
Well,
dagaalka ka dhici
we will
doona
hire security. We will hire
dagaalka ka
security.
dhici doona yaa ka mas'uula
Not
anigu
us,
mas'uul
not
kama
us,
noqonaya
not
adiga
us.
ya
No, not me.
mashallah this was beautiful Habriya. I think our friends will appreciate this.
Yeah.
They're gonna see that this is something that we really need to talk about,
We do.
and we should have more of those
We should
discussions.
be bringing like 1985 to 2020 and try to connect it.
No, we are way behind. We need
Try
to
to
we need to
connect
we
it.
need to come to the year 2020. I think we're so behind.
I think we're still in the 60s, honestly.
Yeah, let's do more of those inshallah. Yes.